My dad, my mom, and I will be leaving for Siliguri. My boy, we are purchasing flat in Siliguri. So, swimming pool also. So yeah. We reach Running Beach. Mega City again. Cheers. Right. Good morning. They have like full tea. Wow, tea, hai na? This is how. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. It is Tolker. So today is Friday morning and it is currently around 5:35 or 5:36 right now. And yes guys, today my dad, my mom and I will be leaving for Siliguri. We're just going there for some work and we'll be back tomorrow, that is on Saturday. Tehang does not want to go because I do not know why. Actually, he doesn't want to go. So, yeah, we are leaving in like around 6 o'clock. So, I just have half an hour to pack my stuffs. My dad had been asking me to pack my stuff since yesterday, but then I was too lazy to do that. So, I'll be doing that now. I just have to pack one set of clothes and my toiletries. So, I guess most probably I'll be taking this bag because I do not have so much to carry also. So, yeah, let's start packing. So, guys, I am done with my packing as well. Just got over with my shower also. So guys, this is my outfit. Super simple. I'm wearing this cute t-shirt, my linen pants, my knitted loafers, my beige color bag. This whole look is from H&M. But anyways, I'll be carrying this bag as well. This is where I've kept all my things. So yeah, let's go. Purple is here. Momo is also here.
Sanjeev भनेको कि अम्बु भनेको
Sanjeev. Bye bye. Popo.
यहाँ चाहिँ डेलिभरी किनेको चाहिँ हैन
Hi. के?
प्यान्ट
यो? अनि मैले H&M बाट किनेको. Papa in all went. Momo is here. Papa is also here. जाउँ हैन?
जुन
Momo is here. So, Papa is saying that 3 of us are going, okay? So, it's called Tinta, okay? So, that's actually not good. So, we just let Papa go first. Okay. के रे Papa? Tanki पार गरेर मात्रै हैन.
मोबाइलमा हेर्दा उ त्यहाँ हेर्न
CCTV मा गयो पार गरिसक्यो अब.
पार भयो भन्छ
बाइ बाइ भन्दिनु.
ल बाई बाई ल बाई बाई ल
बाई
टेक केयर. तपाईँको के छ अरे सपिङ? पाङदेन?
पाङदेन कलर र अनि टप्सु नि ब्राउन र पिच कलरको.
Okay, bye bye. Yo guys, we have just started our journey. We reached Deorali. Mama is here, Papa is here. We do the coordinate गरेर लगाएको पिङ्कको.
ट्विनिङ आज हामी.
Okay guys, unfortunately the day is really gloomy. It's like kind of drizzling, but I really hope and pray that the day clears up as we travel any further, because I do not like it. Nobody likes to travel when it's raining, especially given the fact that our roads keep getting like spoiled during the rainy season. So this rain, I really hope it stops. You guys, we have stopped at this vegetarian breakfast place that we stopped last time also when we were going to Kalimpong. Okay, so you get really good options of breakfast here. So we have come here. Mama is here. Mama, what are you drinking?
चिया.
Adrak wale kaso रहेछ?
अब
टी अदरक की चाय.
I've ordered myself some lemon tea without sugar. So that's coming. Let me try this. It's actually good. You guys, have ordered myself a plate of idli. Papa is having dosa. Mama, she's having aloo paratha. Mama's favorite aloo paratha.
कति अड्काले कति आफूले बनाएको मात्रै खानु अड्काले बनाएको पनि खाइदिनु पर्दैन.
Lol. How's the dosa?
Yummy.
It's actually very good. Amla, you make better paratha than And my idli is actually good. After having the breakfast, we have resumed our journey. How's the breakfast? Amma, Papa? Mama, what Papa is so excited. Oh, Papa is wanting to post a story on his Facebook with that song, Idli, Sambar, Dosa, Chutney, but then he did not get the song yet. Oh. Yo guys, we have finally reached Siliguri. So guys, the reason why we have come to Siliguri is because we are purchasing a flat in Siliguri, so we have some official works here. So yeah, we'll be doing that today and then tomorrow we'll be returning. And anyways, during the afternoon time, it's just like what, 10:29 a.m. okay, so we'll just do everything, all the work of the bank and everything. But today in the afternoon I'll be meeting Rinchan, my friend, and we'll be meeting another friend of ours, Megha. So yeah, I just called her and I was like, yo bro, even I'm in Silla. And she was like, yeah, let's go. Sabajana shades Guys, we have just reached our apartment. Okay, we are right now on the way up to the flat because I have never seen the flat. Okay, Tehang, Mama, everybody has seen it, but then I have never seen it. So my mom and dad, they're gonna show me around. Wow. भित्ता भत्काको ठिकै छ त वाउ ठिकै छ त ए ओके
सब एसी को बंद करके जितना वाल काटिंग किया था ना सारा फिनिशिंग करवा दिया पूरा फिनिशिंग करवा दिया
कतिवटा बाथरूम छ सौ तीनटा बेडरूम कतिवटा बाथरूम
दुईटा बाथरूम
ए ओके
एसी करना दिया नहीं सर एसी नहीं यहां पे
So we have two bathrooms. One is attached wala, one is without the attached wala. Here we have another bedroom. Dami rasatanda. Yeah, guys, we are now heading towards the terrace. Mama and Papa, they are like, the terrace is even better. So yeah, let's go and see. Hi. Got him. Oh. Wow. This is how the terrace looks. Very pretty.
सबमें लाइट लगाए मैम रात को आएंगे ना बहुत सुंदर लगता है
रात लाइट रहेछ नि
यो टिना लगाएको छ नि सबमा पनि लाइट छ नि
Oh, there is swimming pool also.
स्विच जो है ना मैम लूज जो करा हुआ था ना कल में कर देगा
Yo guys, we just reached the flat where we stay. Okay, every time when we come to Siliguri. So this flat is actually my grandmom's sister's flat. So this is where we stay. Finally guys, I'm so hungry, like so hungry. The last time I ate was around like 8 o'clock and it's already 2 o'clock. There were a lot of official work that we had to do, but then finally we reached home. After this I'll just freshen up, then I'll go meet Rinchan. Mama is already there. Mama, Papa, they'll go to have lunch. And yeah, I'll be going to meet my friends. Right. We're getting ready to go out. Mama and Papa, they're going for their lunch date. I'm going to meet my friend Rinchan. Show me, Mama. Excuse me. Let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these shorts, brown color shorts, butter yellow tank top, loafers, my bag. So yeah, let's go. Papa love already. Yo guys, after hanging out with my friends, I have come to Udan Market with my mom and dad. Firstly, we have brought the mixie to this place because our house ka mixie got spoiled. So for that reason we are giving for renovation here. And then after that we're just gonna roam around this market. Unfortunately, that mixie place did not have the parts to mend our mixie, so we are going to this other place. Oh, Mama and Papa, they are there. Guys, there is kosher kosha, the Bengali thali that we had in Kolkata. So guys, we are at Punjabi curry for dinner. Hi guys, it is the next day. Okay, Mama and me, we are at the tuk-tuk. So Mama, how is the second day in Siliguri? Are you tired?
अब हुन्छ नि गरममा अलिअलि तर गरम त छैन ठिकैको सक्ने बेयर गर्नु सक्ने गरम नै रहेछ है
Yes, now we are going to Golden Plaza because we have some shopping of Momo. She has to buy some pangdan and all area. So that's the reason why only we both are out right now. Papa is at home only. He will join us later. It's currently, what's the time, Mama?
11:30 होला
It's 11:30 right now, okay? And the thing is, Mama and Mommy, we have not eaten anything since morning. So first we'll go to the Golden Plaza, then we'll straight go for lunch. We thought of going for breakfast, but then we changed some plans. So yeah, we are now on our way to Golden Plaza. We reached Golden Plaza. We are now gonna take a lift. Mama actually has to buy pangdan, so that's the reason why we are here at the shop.
टप्सु पनि ब्राउन र यस्तो के मिक्स भन्दै थियो
Brown and peach. This is same.
हैन
We are also taking topsu. के भन्छ यसलाई? Topsu. This is also known as lacha. That will match with this. यो जान्छ होला त.
जे जान्छ होला है
Oh, यो जान्छ. Just got over with the pangdan shopping. Guys, I feel like my face is so swollen up.
स्कुल ब्याग हैन नि हैन
क्या होइन पर्फेक्ट सुटकेस हो निकी छ स्पाइडरम्यान. Okay, so we are gonna go to one kids shop to see what do we get for Mikiso, Renilla and Zerinla, all my three Chindumindus. Yeah.
कति छ यिनीहरू
This one Zerinla, because Zerinla loves Captain America. Oh,
त्यसमा पानीहरू लिक हुँदैन होला है
Kuromi, and Mikisoको लागि is bringing Spider-Man ko. We are getting all these bags. So देखो तो हमने क्या लेसा.
यो पेन्सिल यो कलर पेन्सिल है हाइलाइटर ए ओके यो
This for Zerinla, Mikiso,
and
Renilla. So we just got done with all the shopping and everything. Now we are on our way to Vega Mall. We are going to Lama by Yeti because I want to have actually simple food. Because of the food yesterday, I got so bad indigestion and I got very bad gas. My stomach is paining very badly, okay? So the medicine shop that I went to, he advised me not to have any kind of masaledar food at all. Neither am I in the mood to have any kind of masaledar food. So I wanted to have a good Nepali thakali. So we are going to Lama by Yeti, that is situated in Vega Mall. I'm feeling so bad. My stomach is in a very bad state. Hey guys, we have finally reached Vega City again. Now we are going to Lama by Yeti for some Himalayan food. Amla, are you hungry?
Huh?
Are you hungry?
अलिअलि
Ali. I'm dead as hungry. I'm very, very hungry. So guys, we have finally reached Lama by Yeti. The ambience is actually very nice. How do you like it? How do you like ambience? We are waiting for our dad. We just gave him a call, so he'll be here soon. We have ordered 2 veg thalis, okay, and 1 veg soup, lemon coriander soup. Cheers. Order. के भयो मैले भुल्यो लेमन एन्ड कोरिएन्डर सुप
हो मेन त्यही हो अन्त हट एन्ड सार पो भन्दै थियो
होइन मैले चेन्ज गरेर यो गरेँ हाउ इज इट
मिठो लाग्छ सुप त मिठो लाग्छ
लल तपाईँ जाउँछ यो बस्नु थ्याङ्क यू वाउ Our thali is just here. Let's see what and all we have. We have paneer, saag, aloo and karela, my favorite, mula ka achar, gundruk, dahi, ghee, and dal, and papad.
जोशी छैन रहेछ
You guys, we ended up in H&M going for a long shopping again. Not long shopping, we're just doing a little bit of shopping here and there. So yeah. Guys, shopping secured. I got over with my shopping. I'm craving for something really sweet, so I want to have ice cream. Guys, I got myself an ice cream. Yeah. Cured all my cravings, so yum. Well, look who came, Ranjan Amchung. So guys, we have now come to Max. Maiju is here. Ranjan Amchung. What shopping kar rahe We just got home. And guess what guys, I started eating thakali with my hands today. This is how it was. This is how my nails became because of thakali. But anyways, it was worth spoiling my nails for. I'll show you guys what did we shop. We bought this from Max. I bought myself a black color belt. Then these two t-shirts from Max. I was getting it for like what, 200 per piece. So I got two of them. One is in this color, one is in white color. This one I actually like it a lot. Cool. Then I also bought these shades that was my mom and my dad got choice for me. Okay, from H&M. This one's very cool. I genuinely like the shades. I also bought myself new pair of denim. Quite excited for this denim as well. I have never over denim, so yeah. This color I had before, but then it stopped fitting me. It became too loose for me. Then I bought actually two earrings for myself. One is the set from Max. One is this one from H&M. So yeah, this was all that we did shopping. Yeah, after some time I guess we'll be going out again. So yeah. Yo guys, it is around like what, about to be 8 o'clock. We are out again to have dinner. We will be meeting Maiju and Ranjan Amchung, and now we are going for dinner.
Today was a hectic day. We were supposed to return today, but due to her work, we were unable to return. So tomorrow by 12 o'clock, we will be going back to Gangtok. Bye.
Oh no, we reached Golden Plaza. Oh, Maiju is here. Ranjan Amchung is here. We are having puchka. The golgappas are actually very yummy. Amla, how was the golgappa? Maiju? Amchung. Bhaiya, hi bol do. Guys, we have come to Beijing Bites and just look at these lanterns. Pretty. We have reached Beijing Bites. Let's try. You guys, we are sitting here right above us. Is तपाईँलाई के लाग्यो मोमो लाग्यो कसले पो भने मोमो लागेको छ देख्यो भनेर उयो माथि गइदिएको क्या We've ordered prawn. के prawn po यो? Butter garlic. Prawn हो? Yep. It's chili prawn. You guys, we just reached home and it started to rain like cats and dogs. It's like raining so bad outside. Thank God we reached home before we got fully drenched in the rain. But yeah, now we are home. Yo guys, good morning. It is the next morning and it's our last day in Siliguri. It is Sunday morning. We have come to Hong Kong market to eat breakfast at this one OG place. I'm sure most of you guys already know, like if you all have come to like Siliguri quite often since a very young age. I'm sure you guys already know this breakfast place. So yeah, we are going out there. The weather is actually very chill here. Last night it rained like cats and dogs. So today it's really chill. It's not hot, nothing like that. So yeah, it's a very pleasant weather. Mama and Papa te ang malamartin this. So yeah, I'm alone. Ikaw, bulle ko. We have come to the famous breakfast spot. Guys, we've ordered bread toast, omelette. Mama and Papa, they've ordered poach and some tea. How's the food, Mama? Good. Appa, how's it? We ordered tea also. So guys, the breakfast was a 10 on 10. Amla, how was the breakfast for you? Appa, you? Out of 10, how much do you rate this place?
10 out of 10.
Amla, you? 10 out of 10. So before, when my brother used to do coaching in Siliguri, means like last to last winter, Mama was telling that Papa and she used to come here, you know, just to have breakfast, you know. The thing is about this place, you get only like butter toast and like different kinds of like eggs and all. So it's really good if you just want to go for a nice bread toast with some anda. This place it is for you guys. It's located in Hong Kong Market, Netaji breakfast spot here. So guys, we have come to Kanchi Momo's place to meet everyone. Oh, my shoulders. Hello guys. So Maiju and Rinjan Uncle, okay, they have started a business where they sell all kinds of stuffs. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what are the stuffs that they have. They have like kurtis and all. They are selling these pendants and all. I genuinely like this a lot. It's okay. Wow. Yeah. What color is it? Oh. Wow. Oh, my favorite color. Purple. Wow. Oh, set. Wow. Yeah. Guys, you all can see so many stuffs here, na? All these kurtis and all, like, no? This one is there, that is there. Oh, guys can surely check it out. I will link the number down right here, okay, and I will send you guys the number as well. You guys can surely go check the store out. If you are like any kind of stuffs, you all are free to go and order, and I would really appreciate if you would support my Maiju in her small business. These are the things. Not only like you not only get clothes and all, but then there are a lot of like crockeries, anything that you name it, she'll have it. So you guys can surely go and check it out. Mama ko kurti hai na. This is how the kurti looks. Amla, how is the material and everything? Chutney pani raisa lo.
यो खालको मटेरियल्स वाउ चुन्नी झन् दामी रहेछ नि यसको ए चुन्नी कस्तो दामी रहेछ
लगाइदिनु ओ
चुन्नी त लाउनु लाउँदैन म त पुरा अल्छी लाग्छ है
दामी रहेछ त
राम्रो देख्यो त है कलर दामी कलर रहेछ
This is the color that I have chosen. Looks good, na? My dad and my Popo, they were telling that this color is very bad, you know, and I was like, wait until I wear it and I'll show you guys how good the color looks. Amjong, you tell me how does this color look? Dami. Dami, eh? Dami dekhe sachi. Mama, dekho na tabko. Amla! Ay, ako model ai.
राम्रो कलर है
Model 2.
चुन्नी राम्रो रहेछ नि त फेरि शीतल क्या
Mama is taking two. Okay, they want the purple and this green. No. No, sealed. The business deals. Now I'll be ending my vlog here. If you like this vlog, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And it genuinely felt so good to come out with my parents after so long, even if it's just for like 2 days. So yeah, today now after some time we'll be returning home. I thought of ending my vlog here itself. If you like this vlog, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again on Thursday with a brand new vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care, and I love you guys. Bye.